Talk. Now News Extra on KNEB at 7:50, and our program brought to you by First State Bank of Scottsbluff and Gering. And joining us this morning are two folks with SWBC. Mark Ulmer is the CEO of Lender-Placed Insurance, and Greg Hermanson, Vice President for Human Relations. Thanks for being with us. Human Resources, HR.
Yes.
Great to have you with us this morning, and we'll start with you, Greg. You've got a job fair coming up today, right?
Yes, it's going to be from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. at our facility here. And it's something where we're looking to fill different jobs, probably 200 openings.
Wow. So you've already hired how many? 180?
180 so far.
Right.
Yeah.
And you're looking for another 210.
Actually, 230 when we've got management positions as well.
Okay. So I take it things are going well.
Things are going very well. Very excited.
Yeah, good. What do folks need to do? Hopefully they've gone online and filled out an application ahead of time, right?
Right. If they go to swbc.com/careers and fill out an application online, that'll help the process. Then they can come in today and be interviewed, fill out some online assessments, and then we'll be making job offers on the spot.
Wow. Help us through the process a little bit at the building. Where would you go? Where would you go in? That sort of thing.
When you come in through our front entrance, essentially we'll have a greeter there, and they will give them a little profile card, just fill out a few bits of information. That'll help get us started, and then we'll take them to a waiting room, and when there's an interviewer ready or a testing station ready, we'll take them. We'll have runners taking them around the facility to the next spot in the process.
You've done some coordinating to pull this off, then.
Absolutely. We came in yesterday to make sure we had it all right.
Yeah, because it's going to take a number of people just to handle all the spot interviews and so on. Right?
Yeah, we've probably got about 20 people from SWBC that are helping coordinate this event and make it come off as a huge success. And we're hoping for at least a couple hundred people to come out today to see us.
Excellent. And again, starts at
9 a.m. to 7 p.m.
to 7 this evening. So folks will have a wide window there to get by. And hopefully apply, get that new job. We'll talk with Mark in just a moment.
Spring into those home improvement projects you have been putting off. With the First State Bank Home Equity Line of Credit, you can build that deck for summer grilling, replace those old worn-out windows, or even just take a much-needed vacation. Let us help you spring into spring by getting you the money you need using the equity in your home, all for a low interest rate. At First State Bank, when we say we are big on you, we mean it. First State Bank, member FDIC, equal housing lender, all loans subject to credit approval and certain restrictions apply.
On the News Extra program this morning with Mark Ulmer and Greg Hermanson from SWBC. Mark, let's maybe take a step back and talk a little bit about the company, what you're doing, what your commitment here is to Scottsbluff. We've had some companies come in and go, and we're certainly hoping that's not the case with SWBC.
Well, thanks. SWBC is a privately owned company. It's been in place for almost 40 years. The two owners, Gary Dudley and Charlie Amato, both from San Antonio, started this company with themselves and one other employee. And from there, we've got over 2,500 employees now in 17 different lines of business that most of them service across the country. The largest business that we have, and the one that's growing the fastest right now, is our lender-placed insurance business that I'm responsible for. And so with that, we have a good number of employees in San Antonio. One thing that we're very proud of is that in Texas, they do rate the top 100 employers. And we have made that list for the last 4 years. And actually, I think we're in the top 25 last year. So we expect to come here and do exactly the same thing. And I think the new employees are already recognizing how we're different than other large corporations that are stock held, and really what private ownership and benefits can come with that. So we're excited to be here. Like you said, we've already hired 180 employees. Met with a good number of them yesterday and getting great feedback. And, we're excited about the future and the prospects here.
What makes Scottsbluff Gering a good fit for your company?
We wanted to get another location out of San Antonio. We're heavily focused there. And so as we looked across the country, we did have a business dealing with the former owner of the building, and the opportunity came to purchase this building. This is a building I came to in 2008, shortly after it was built, and just knew it was a top Class A building, and it has some benefits in it structurally and also from a data redundancy and some things that we're looking for in a building. And we also knew the quality of the people here. And I think the one thing that we knew is that we couldn't grow here that fast because there's just not that big of a population. But we thought if we did a good job and we're very consistent with it, we could grow ourselves up to the 400 or 500 person level over a period of time. So we're excited to get there as fast as we can. It'll just be the response of the folks here in this area that'll allow us to do that.
I'm sure as you look at the community, things like the community college, airport facilities, highways, all those kind of things come into decisions to place a large and growing company in any one given community.
Yeah, it does. It does.
School system.
Sure. So the work that we do, you don't have to have a college education, okay? But we are looking for individuals who are get along well, good teamwork. We have high core values in our company that we really aspire and really do require of people, service standards with it. And so we know that we have people that have had a lot of experience around here interacting on financial services, and these are also positions that if you've got the right skill set, we will train you. And then, look, we're looking to, as you say, build this up to that number of people. We need a lot of leadership. And so we're trying to hire 10 supervisors and managers today as we continue to build this group. And so we expect to hire that from people that we hire and that we can promote. And so all those things play together. And look, nobody likes turnover in their company either. So we're really thinking if we do a good job here, when people come to work here, they're going to see the value in it. They're going to we've got a very good thing for our employees where we pay them a referral fee when they refer someone who comes here and joins us. And so if they like it, they'll stick around, and that's a good thing for us.
Mark Ulmer with SWBC. Greg Hermanson is also here. Greg, give us a little sales on the kind of positions. What sort of benefits, what sort of offer can you make to folks?
Okay. So we are looking for customer service representatives, so people that are dealing with our customer base over the phone. We're also looking for people in data processing type functions, and there's a number of different departments that we have here in town that do data processing, and then the management positions. And our benefits include company paid insurance. Benefits include $500 that you can earn just for being active as part of our wellness plan. Looking to close our deal with the YMCA here to give everybody a free gym membership. A great 401k and profit sharing plan, great time off benefit. So it's a very comprehensive and a very competitive overall benefit package, and including our pay in that, because we really wanted to make sure that we're doing the right thing and offering competitive pay. We've already made an adjustment to that, and so we hope that people come out today and they can hear some more specifics on that in the interview process.
All right, very good. And again, you're doing on-the-spot interviews today.
Yes.
So especially helpful to have that application done online ahead of time, right?
Yes, that'll just make the process go a little bit smoother, and when you come in, you literally can go right into an interview, right into testing, and be in and out in an hour with a job offer in hand.
As we're speaking about it this morning, though, if a person hasn't been able to do that, you can still come in, right? It's just
you can still come in, and actually we'll have some computers set up for somebody to fill out the application online before they then would get into the interview and testing process.
Would they need some other documentation with them, or are they going to be able to do it off the top of their head, do you think?
They won't need to bring anything in with them. We are really hoping that if they hadn't applied online beforehand, we'll get them to apply, and then we'll have everything we need in our system. So that'll work.
All right, very good. Well, we wish you the best with this job fair today. And again, it's happening at your building today from 9 till 7. And we thank Mark Ulmer for coming by and Greg Hermanson for speaking with us this morning on News Extra.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.